14th of February 2025. See, they have a lot of stores. They have about 8 stores on this side. By this 10 stores, which is already Sandy Crest Medical Center. Let me show you the other stalls. I'll do it from the car park side. This is ridiculous. No water, no toilets, and this is what I've been exposing. This is what I've been exposing. This is what I've been. I'm recording. This is what I've been exposing for the longest time. All the stalls. Look at this thing. But our kind, will still support them just to make $1. Look at how the stalls jumble up and stuff like that. Grass thick. Excuse me. I get a friend saying you're gonna take it out. So people lost stalls. They're setting up. I'm saying Thursday people setting up. Thursday, people are setting up the stalls. That's probably a food place out there. No water. There are quite a few places that would be selling food, like the one that opened since Sunday with no proper water facilities. Nobody are talking about that. I call a lady in the health, I call the health Ministry of Health. They put me on to this lady. I can't remember because I don't have my phone right now. This is usually another really big stall for the food. So first the food, they sell food there all the time, right by the guttering, right by the nasty guttering. No water supply, no toilets, and that's what they've been doing for, if it's allegedly open for 45 years, that's what they've been doing. That's what they've been doing to the people. But people only in to make $1, so they don't care how people treat them, other people treat them. They don't care. Look at this here. This is a gutter. Going all the way around here. This is the gutter. There's a stall right here. This is the gutter here. This is the big gutter out there. Morning. More stalls. I think Marcy, I see the manager at Marcy was out there when they had the Good Morning Barbados store. This is all the stalls out there. It's all the stalls. The people. Forgive me if I had the distance of the stuff was far. Mr. Pearson thing, interviewing somebody. I don't know what they're talking about, but I know there's lots of cameras out there.
Help me spread the word about Naked Departure via social media. Subscribe and share to show support and love for our channels.